iPhone prices are increasing, but not for the reason you think. Recent data from Consumer Intelligence Research Partners, CIRP, reveals that the average selling price of iPhones has increased by $18, from $953 in Q4 2024 to $971 today. At first glance, it's easy to blame tariffs or inflation, but those aren't the main reasons behind this trend. The real driver is Apple's strategic product shift. The company has discontinued its lower-cost models like the iPhone SE and iPhone 14, replacing them with newer, slightly more expensive options such as the iPhone 16e. This change has pushed up the average selling price, a figure known as the U.S. Weighted Average Retail Price, U.S. CIRP, which analysts use now that Apple no longer reports these numbers directly. Interestingly, the price increase isn't as sharp as it could have been. Lower than expected sales of the premium iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max have kept the average price from rising further. Consumers are showing a stronger preference for mid-range models over the high-end versions. This price shift is also happening earlier in the product cycle than usual, suggesting a broader trend. More customers are choosing affordability over cutting-edge features, especially during ongoing economic uncertainty. Earlier this year, another report found that more consumers are buying used iPhones than new ones. The primary reason? The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max didn't offer enough compelling features to justify the upgrade, especially with delays in new Siri enhancements. Looking ahead, potential supply chain issues could delay iPhone 17 availability. As a result, many users are holding on to their current devices longer, and Apple may face additional challenges in maintaining strong sales growth.